Welcome to video tutorial number 3 of the Financial Consolidation series. In the previous 2 video tutorials, we completed the consolidation process. But what if you want to review and check out all the eliminations made to your consolidated file? DiamondFMS offers the possibility to see the correction values of rows which were eliminated in a separate column using the Consolidation Analyze functionality. So today we'll discover Consolidation Analyze functionality and look at corrections in details. Step 1. Activate the consolidation file and go to the profit and loss account. Step 2. Select the period. In this case, we choose History 2019 as an example. Step 3. Right-click on the selection to open the context menu. And Step 4. Choose Consolidation Analyze. Now you can see the figures of the individual source files clearly displayed next to each other. In this way, they can be viewed at all levels and you can compare them with each other and with the consolidated value. If you want to switch to another period, you can go to the Edit tab, select this button and specify the period you need. Select the desired period from the sub-menu. Choose period, history, forecast, realization, or differences. Select the desired level of detail. It is possible to display the consolidation analysis at all levels of detail, year, half year, quarter, and month, presuming that the source files also have this level of detail. Select the period. Note that the only periods that were included in consolidation during synchronization process can be seen and selected here. Then click OK. When you need to quickly sum up the particular values of the source files, just select them and take a look here at the bottom of the application window. In the status bar, you can see the sum of the selected cells. In our example, the consolidated values are shown in the first column. It is also possible to display the consolidated values as the last column. Right-click on the consolidation column to open the context menu and choose Consolidated File as the last column to display the consolidated values in the last column. Right-click on the consolidation column to open the context menu again and select Show Correction. In the correction column, you can see the correction values, a result of elimination performed. This way, you can find out whether you have processed all eliminations. Let's see what happens and how it's different from a consolidation. Navigate through the Consolidation Analysis screen and open the Net Sales folder. The breakdown of turnover shows that the management fee is received in the holding and has been eliminated in the consolidation. At the rent item, you will see that this turnover only partly consists of internal rental turnover. The remaining part of £25,000 visible in the consolidation column is rental income from third parties, from a company outside the consolidated group. You can see the amounts eliminated in the correction column. Navigate through the Consolidation Analysis screen and visualize the specification of the financial fixed assets. The specification of the financial fixed assets is showing that the financial fixed assets have been completely eliminated in the consolidation. The participating interests disappear from the shareholders' equity of the relevant participating interests. In the loans to group companies, the internal loan from A holding to B real estate can be seen. This has been eliminated in the consolidation. If you have discovered that you've forgotten some eliminations, you can open the elimination template again and add the new elimination variables. See Part 2, Elimination. Also, if you need to process additional corrections which cannot be processed through standard elimination process, it's possible to adjust the corrections manually. The main items that cannot be eliminated via standard elimination process are: the items to be eliminated are both included on the asset side or both on the liability side of the balance sheet. The items to be eliminated are both recognized as revenue items or both as expense items in the profit and loss account. So these pairs of variables cannot be selected in the DiamondFMS elimination screen. The items to be eliminated are processed under a total item, such as internal debtors or creditors. In DiamondFMS, the elimination of equity takes place on a separate line within equity. You can process the specification manually in the correction column. Let's try to add some manual corrections. Navigate to net worth specification in the balance sheet. Let's assume the specification of shareholders' equity in the consolidated statement should be corrected. So, for example, we need to show only the values of the parent company A Holdings. Put 0 instead of automatic correction. Let's do the same for the years 2018, 2019 history, and 2020 realization. You can use this button to switch between years. There is also another way to do it. If you need to, for example, adjust the values in a sequence of periods, select Show Corrections Only from Context menu. Now you can see the correction columns of all periods, all the eliminations performed for all periods. And let's, for example, copy the range of values from the Excel file and paste them directly in correction columns. To disable this option, just unselect Show Corrections Only in the Context menu, and you will return to the Analysis view. If you want to turn off the Consolidation Analyze mode, open the Context menu and choose Enable Consolidation Grid. The correction column shows both the automatically eliminated and the manually corrected items. Note that the automatically calculated values are in the black color and the manually entered values are blue. Keep in mind that if you make changes to the columns of the source files, they will also be reflected in the source files. For example, the amount of 125,000 for operating company turnover in the consolidation file has been changed to 0. But it is better to make changes directly in the source files to reduce the chances of error. Also, it is better to make manual adjustments in correction column rather than in consolidation column, because there is a possibility to save the manual corrections in a separate file, and later when you will need to perform the update of the consolidation file, import them back. Let me explain how to do it. Select the arrow next to the Update Consolidated Values icon, choose Export Corrections, enter the desired name, for example, My Manual Corrections ABC. It's better to allocate the template together with the respective set of Diamond consolidation files. Click Save. Now let's check what will happen if we update the consolidation. Choose On-Off Options. Select the periods for which you want to delete the manually entered corrections. Choose Save. Click the Updated Consolidated Values icon again and press Update. Now it can be seen that all manual corrections are deleted. By the way, you can specify if you actually want to delete all manually entered corrections during the update. Now let's import all previously saved correction items. Select the Update Consolidated Values icon, choose Import Corrections. DiamondFMS goes to the last known location. Select the desired file and click Open. Select the settings My Manual Corrections ABC and click on Load. Now the corrections are back again. Consolidation analysis, including eliminations and corrections, can be exported and printed using Reports Analyzer bar. Go to the Results Analyzer bar in Menu View. Select the desired reports to display the consolidation analysis on the right side in the Reports tab. In the Report Options tab, choose the desired period over which the consolidation analysis should be printed and check whether you want to see history, forecast, realization, or difference. Check Consolidation Analysis at Report Options. Then choose Preview in the bottom right of the screen to display a print preview of the selected reports. Note: with the option Consolidation Analysis, a separate report is generated for each period. For example, when January through December 2019 is selected per month, 12 reports are generated, one for each month. Then the reports, like all other reports, can be printed directly or exported to Excel, Word, or PDF. That's probably all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.